Hey friends, if you wish to use Focus Assist on Windows 11 to stay focused, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Focus in the Windows search bar and then go to Focus Settings. Okay. Now, this is what you call the Focus Assist. So it was called Focus Assist earlier. Now it is simply called Focus. What is the benefit? When you click on Start Focus session, it will disable all notifications, and you can set a focus period. You can set it at 20 minutes, which is the default, and the next 5 minutes break. So basically the default settings are in line with the Pomodoro timer, which has gained a lot of popularity, and this is a Japanese tool. So you can also change it. I mean, you can change the timing and all. Okay, I will stop the focus session. You can increase the session duration and then see what happens. Okay, now the focus period has increased. So after this one session, it will give you a break of 5 minutes and then you can start with the next one. So if you wish to overcome procrastination and need to use focus timers, you can use this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.